Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, you need to create a model-driven app for documents designated as referrals. What should you add on the app? Then options are option A, workflow, option B, subgrid, option C, business rule, option D, flow, option E, chart. The correct answer is option C. Our next question is, you need to create a customer mobile app. Which type of function expression should you use? The options are option A, filter, option B, find, option C, lookup. The correct answer is option C. Our next question is, a company uses a model-driven app to record details of laboratory test. You are asked to create a custom component that makes it easier to capture multiple values from lab test result on mobile devices. You need to create the interface of the dataset in case the mobile devices lose connection to the network. Which method should you use? The options are option A, save data, option B, update view, option C, init, option D, get client. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you create a Power Apps that integrates with Dynamic 365 customer service. You update the app and run solution checker on the original solution. You receive an error stating solution checker cannot export the solution. You need to determine the primary cause of the issue. What is the primary cause? The options are option A, the original solution is logged because there is a dependent patch. Option B, the solution was not exported before running solution checker. Option C, the environment is an administrator mode. Option D, solution checker cannot check default solution. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you fix a bug in the code of your application which is currently on version. Please have a look. You need to publish an updated version of the solution. Which version identifier should you use? Please have a look at the options and try to answer. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you have a common data service entity in a model-driven app. The model-driven app integrates with an external system. You plan to run business logic each time the model-driven app creates a record. Running business logic must not go negatively affect model-driven app users. You need to implement the business logic. What should you use? The options are option A, synchronous plug-in registered in the pre-operation stage. Option B, synchronous workflow. Option C, asynchronous plug-in registered on the post-operation stage. The correct answer is option C. Our next question is hotspot. A company is preparing to go live with the Dynamic 365 sales solution. But first, they need to migrate data from a legacy system. The company is migrating accounts in a batches of 1000. When the data is saved to Dynamic 365 sales, the IDs for the new accounts must be output to a log file. You have a following code. Please have a look at the given code. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Please have a look at the statement. The first statement is, the developer is able to get access to the newly created account IDs. The second statement is, if an error occurs, the developer can get access to the request that caused the fault. Statement third, if there are errors in the request will raise an exception at the first error and stop processing. Statement 4, if there are 10 errors in 1000 create requests, 10 responses will be returned from the platform. Now try to answer for the given statement either in yes or no. Now, here are the correct answers. The answers are: the answer for the statement, the developer is able to get access to the newly created account IDs is no. This answer for the second statement, if the error occurs, the developer can get access to requests that caused the fault is yes. The answer for the third statement, if there are errors in the request will raise an exception if the first error and stop processing is no. And the answer for the fourth statement, if there are 10 errors in 1000 create requests, 10 responses will be returned from the platform. The answer is yes. Thank you.